Tired of data leaks or hidden transaction risks in financial operations? Fear no more, the revolutionary financial data risk control all-in-one device has arrived. Sleek design meets hassle-free maintenance. Boasting a sleek and streamlined design, its rear case can be easily slid open with a single screw, allowing quick and convenient device maintenance and system upgrades. Tailored for centralized financial offices and trading floors, it adopts a side-insertion design for the financial-grade main control board, which perfectly fits professional operation habits and ensures more stable and efficient running. Equipped with multiple USB ports plus an extra Type-C port, enabling seamless encrypted data transmission and device power supply to greatly boost users' financial risk management efficiency and data security experience. This financial all-in-one device works like a vigilant eagle eye for financial security, providing 24/7 non-stop high-precision data tracking and dynamic transaction recording with smooth and clear real-time feedback. DM us for specifications and bulk sales prices.